Hey guys, welcome back for another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change the battery on a digital thermometer. I have a MedTech thermometer with me. The process remains the same or similar for most digital thermometers. Now this is the front side of the thermometer where the bulb exists, and the battery compartment is located at the back. Now what you need to do is pull on this back cover that you see here, but we need to take a few precautions while pulling on it, because if we pull too hard and it comes all the way out, it's going to end up breaking the filament that runs from the bulb of the thermometer to the circuit, which helps understand what the temperature is. Okay, so before you start following the steps, watch me do it one time and then you can repeat the steps. So you're going to just pull on the back of the thermometer just like that. It's going to be a little tough to pull on. You might think that there's some screw or it's permanently fixed, but that's not the case. You have to keep pulling on the back. And you'll have to do this a few times, just like I am trying here, and then you'll be able to take the back compartment off. Now once you do that, you will see that this compartment here moves, but you don't want to pull it out all the way. The battery exists right here, and all you want to do is just with your nail or any sharp object, just push the battery out from the left side so that it comes out from the right. Okay, if you pull it all the way out, you're going to see right here on the inside, you'll see two thin wires. Those are the filaments that help transfer the temperature reading from the bulb to the circuit, and if you pull it too much, it's going to end up damaging those filaments and your thermometer may no longer be usable, or it may no longer show the accurate temperature. So what you want to do is just push a little from the left side so that the battery comes out from the right, and then you can simply pull it out. Now to figure out what type of battery this is, you need to look at the back of the battery where it tells you a number. Let me try to focus in on it. So right here at the bottom you see a number. All you need to know is that number to order the right kind of battery. If I turn it around upside, you'll be able to see, or you may not be able to see, but it says LR41. So that's the kind of battery that my thermometer needs. You can check for your thermometer as well. Most likely they use the similar kind of batteries, but you can always check before ordering the new ones. Once you have the new one, simply push the battery back in from right to left, just like that. It will fall into place. You can check that the thermometer starts up, and then you can reinstall the back compartment. Just push it on to reinstall it, and your thermometer is good to go with the new battery. So that's how easy it is. You just need to be careful not to damage the filament, and that's all it takes. So hope you found this video helpful, and do let me know your experience of what kind of thermometer you use and if you were able to successfully replace the batteries for it. And do subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.